I got about halfway with the dirt, and the pile is at about half. So a rough guesstimate, we should be able to fill this trench in with the pile that's left, and maybe even start a little on this one. This is a very deep one, so it's going to take a lot more dirt. Every day a little bit further. This bottom level is almost filled. I just ran out of energy and could not even do the last bucket load to finish it at the end. But we're getting there. You notice the rock pile, even it's going down, slowly but surely. Most of it will be used to fill in this back. We need to put another row on top of the existing row because our so-called contractor, again, didn't know what he was doing. This row is lower than the bottom of this row. So we have to go up another block. He glued all the toppers on. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get the toppers off to put another row on. If not, I'll have to put a block on top of the toppers and then put toppers on top of those blocks, which will be another expense. But like we say, Rome was not built in a day, and it's taken more than a few days to get this done.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.